everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Aashi Sharma. Today we are gonna make a new craft. So let's get started. So for this we need a cardboard and we need some glue. Paste for any color. Draw two birds and cut it. And to cut, draw a tree and then cut it. Now I cut it. Now this is the cardboard and then paste it. And then paste it. Now we will paste it one here and one here. And now we will paste the second one. So we have a head size of it and we will cut it. We need to cut two. And I cutted another piece of it. Half two. Half. क्या है? We will cut these like two brown pieces. Okay. Now we will paste it with glue. So we will take two of it and then put a little bit of glue and then paste it. So you have little wings of these birds, black and brown. Now we will paste it on the birds. So we will take these wings. First we will take brown and we will paste it under here. And we will take each of it. So we will take black wings. I have only space for one black wing. And we have a little big wing and we will put the black wing over it. So we have these wings and we will paste it under these little wings and big sparrow wings. We will paste it over here. Now we have these four black ones and these four red ones. And we will take one black one and one red one and paste it together. So we have these ones. We will put two only. If you want, you can paste more if you have more space. So we have small red and big black paper, and we will paste it. And paste. Now we have these wings of the bird. We will paste it on the bird. So we will paste this small piece on the bird. So we have this beak of the bird. Now we will put some glue. So with black sketch pen we will color it. If you want, you can paste black sheet. Now the first bird is ready. Cut leaf. We have now green paper and we will cut some leaf. Now the leaf is cut. Now we will paste it. Now you will paste it. Now the bird is ready. If you like my video, please